you are writing this WAEC, then we need to avoid confusion. You need to avoid any form of confusion regarding your exams. I am giving you the things you need to bring anytime you have a WAEC exam. Just pay attention to these things I will be teaching now so that there won't be any confusion, any reason for confusion in your exam. Anytime you are entering WAEC hall, go with these three things. Number one is go with your registration details. Your registration details will be contained in your exam card. There is this card that WAEC will give you probably on the first day of the exam, the first paper, or even before the exam starts. You will be issued an exam card. Your passport, your picture will be there, your name, your details. So it's expected that every day you enter the hall, you should be with the exam card, except if the card has not been issued to you. Number two, you should know, of course, you know your name. You should memorize your registration number. If you need to write it somewhere, if you need to get it somewhere that you cannot forget, your registration number, your center number, these things are very important. So the first out of the three things you need to know is you need to go with your details, that exam card, your name, your reg number, and your center number. Number two, but before we get to number two, if you have not gotten your timetable, if you have not gotten your timetable for WAEC, just comment under this video. Tell me that you have not gotten it and you want me to send it to you. But before you do that, first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Then I will send you the materials you need. The second thing you need to get as you're entering your WAEC hall every day for your exam is your writing materials. These writing materials should include your pen, your pencil, your calculator, your marker. All the materials you need for your WAEC, you should be with it. Your pencil should be sharpened. Your pen should be a good pen that is writing. If you need to go with it in case if one is missing or if one is not writing, but get yourself ready. Don't get into an exam hall and become confused. So your writing materials, very important. Remember, if you have not gotten your WAEC material, just let me know. There is also, this video is also on our platform. You can also go ahead and watch it. Number three, but before this number three, if you need me to send you your WAEC past question, if you need past questions on WAEC, jam past questions, if you need the timetable for your WAEC, no matter the year, if you're writing in this year 2024 or you're writing in 2025 or any of the years, you need timetable, get across to me, subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this video and say I have subscribed. Once you say I have subscribed, I will find a way to send you the materials you need. The third thing you need to always get into the exam hall with is your proper attire. By proper attire, I mean you have to be on the right uniform. You have to plait the right hairstyle. If you're a male, you need to shave your beard. Just look responsible, stocking. Don't dress in a rugged way that will draw attention to you. Even if you're doing anything, to ensure you pass, don't draw attention to yourself by dressing ruggedly, not wearing the right footwear, not putting on your stockings. Just look decent, stocking your shirt, look good like a student, so that even if external invigilators come, they will not have special attention on you. Look smart, look decent. Don't call undue attention to yourself. Remember, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come under this video, comment I have subscribed. Then I will send you all the materials you need, including your timetable, if you need syllabus for WAEC, if you need past questions, it will also be sent to you. I'll send all these things to you through your phone. But you have to first of all subscribe to our YouTube channel and invite your friends to subscribe. There is this video. Go to this YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel now and search for this video. There are three steps you must take now as you're preparing to write your WAEC. Go over to our YouTube channel. You will see other interesting videos. We have done a lot of other videos. We have solved math past questions, chemistry, all past questions that you need are there. We have solved jam past question. There is a lot we have done. So go into our channel, look for the video. If you also want to join our reading group, Noble book club where we read together. You can also indicate that you want to join the reading group, and I will send you details of how you will join. So subscribe immediately. Come under the comment of this video, tell me that you have subscribed, and I will send you the materials you need.